Oh shit. For no reason the car is stalling, guys. What the hell, man? This is the second time. Both lost, bro. Government won the match.
When you see me, you better run. Play duck, duck, goose with my gun. When you see me, you better run.
It's 10 in the morning and we are in Bangalore currently. Have to go to my hometown, which is 400 kilometers away from here, and it's gonna take around 6 hours. But before going there, I'm planning to go do some go-karting. Let's see if it's possible. I'll do it, otherwise I'll just go back to my home. Damn bro, this car is extremely dirty. I can't wait to go home and wash it. Change in plan, guys. We are getting late, so we cancelled the GoPro thing. We just had our lunch over here in HSR itself, and now we are starting to my hometown, which is 8 hours away from here. So there is nothing much to show. It's the same road, same highway, and if I find some interesting car on the way, I'll get back to you. Till then, peace. Goodbye to my favorite city and my favorite place, HSR. I will be missing this.
Look at her.
She's breaking with her legs. I've been in different parts of Bangalore, but HSR is the best, man.
Yeah. It's a mix of everything.
It has everything except a mall. Damn, guys, look at this huge Porsche Cayenne. Ooh.
Driver nadutanadrani.
Where are the owners, man? Why are owners not driving their supercars? Too bad. Goodbye to Third Wave Coffee. Goodbye Hangover. Goodbye to NIFT College. Anyway, so far we have done about 1246 kilometers, and fuel range left is 123. Plus the average I am getting is 16.5. That's not bad. I think by the time I reach my hometown, it will go up to 17 or 18. Yo, what's happening here? Arre, వీళ్ళేంద్రా ఈవినింగ్ వాక్ పోయినట్టు పోతున్నారు, రోడ్ క్రాస్ చేస్తున్నారు. So outside it's 22 degrees, man. What the hell?
22. It doesn't feel like 22 at all. It definitely feels like 24, 25.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Man, why the hell? There are two options in app. One is it's 22 degrees in Bangalore, but it feels like 24. What the hell is that? Do you think the CEO of the app goes on his roof and then smokes a cigarette and he'll be like, it feels like 24 today, let's update the app? For some reason, engine check light popped up and I'm hearing some weird noise when I accelerate, man. What the fuck?
Dicky open cheyi.
డిక్కీలో కాదు, అది ఆఫ్ చేయాలా ఇంజను. అది what the fuck happened, man? We are now heading to Chevrolet showroom. I don't know, man. For some reason, whenever I accelerate, some weird sound coming from the back of the car.
Air is leaking, kind of.
Yeah, sounds like air is leaking, but I think it's a fuel injector problem. What the hell? So I'm at the Hebbal signal, just paid fine to Hebbal cops over here, and I'm really scared, man, because of the engine check light. Let's hope for the best. So we had some tea over there and giving some rest to the car. check light is still there, guys. నేను లెఫ్ట్లో ఉంటా, నాకు సంబంధమే లేదు. Like 10 minutes ago, near same kind of junction, I slowed down the car and it stalled, man. Don't know what's happening. The revs are not going above 2000 rpm, and I'll explain you guys what actually happened with the car when I stop for a break. Till then, enjoy the views. Indicator వేసుకొని అవతల తిరుగుతున్నాను. We have just crossed Anantapur and around 200 kilometers away from my home. The car is performing not so well, but not stopping also, so let's hope for the best. Look at the road, man. It's amazing. I'm just maintaining 2000 rpm on 5th gear and cruising at 120 km/h, which is pretty good. Not bad for the highways like this. And the car is letting me cross 2000 rpm, but I'm only not crossing because just to be on the safer side. There is no traffic at all and the roads are amazing, man. I'm just maintaining 120 and enjoying these roads. Few parts of the road is missing on radium, but that's okay, man. There are no potholes. This road is worth paying the toll. They charge around 600 for 400 kilometers, but still it's worth it. Oh shit. For no reason the car is stalling, guys. What the hell, man? This is the second time it stopped. What's happening is, usually we don't press accelerator while moving the car, right? But this time if I try to do that, it's stopping, man. There is no power in the engine. I have to accelerate every time before leaving the clutch. Done about 250 kilometers so far, and Sajid went to pee. Roads are so good that you don't have to turn steering wheel, because during the corners the road is little tilted towards the cornering side. That prevents body roll in SUV, man. That's amazing. I tried cleaning this with my finger, but everything messed up. I can't see who's behind me, so man, I'm just gonna clean it with a mask. Better. Just saw a speed breaker sign over there. Do you think there will be a speed breaker over here? What do you think, bro? Yes or no?
No.
Yes, I think yes. Oh shit.
Yes.
But I saw the speed breaker sign, bro.
Still, I won. There is no speed breaker. We'll see.
We'll see next time. Yes, another crossing here. What do you think, bro? Yes or no? Yes or no?
No.
No. I also no. Yeah. One and one. Look, there is a sign over there. What do you think, bro? This time?
Yes, there will be a speed breaker this time.
Big hump or 3. Oh fuck! There is a speed breaker, bro.
Yes.
Ah shit, man. This time 2 and 1. Wait, 2 and 0.
2 and 0.
Okay. Next time I'm gonna win somehow. Another U-turn ahead. What do you think, bro? I say no. This
I think
time.
there will be a speed breaker here.
No.
I think there will be a speed breaker here.
Yeah, 1 and 1.
No, wait.
No, it's not there, bro.
Okay, now 1 on 1. Okay,
Okay, 1 on 1. 2 on 1 now.
Yeah, I got 2. You got 1.
Another U-turn ahead. This time I say yes.
I would say no. There will not.
This
be
time I said yes.
I would say there will not be a speed breaker. There will not be a speed breaker. There will not.
Arey, damn, there is no
see?
speed breaker. What do you think this time, bro? I say no.
I would say there will be a speed breaker.
I
here.
say no. I saw a sign, but I say
Floor
no.
it, floor it.
I am flooring it,
you
bro.
gotta trust
Oh, thank God, there is no speed breaker.
Man.
But why the fuck they are putting signs, bro?
it. No damn reason.
Why are they putting signs?
I think they're doing it on purpose, you know. Like if people will slow down, you know, when they see a speed breaker sign. But that is like playing with the trust, right? Next time when I actually see a speed breaker sign, I would think it's a fake one and I would just floor it. So I won by 1 point.
We both lost, bro. Government won the match. So after playing about 100 games, we finally decided to stop over here for some dinner. It's not 11 in the night. It's just 9:20 in the night. Let's go have some food. Bro,
Bye, man. Let's do this again sometime.
bye bye. Just dropped off my friend and I'm going back to home now. My home is 500 meters away from here, and after parking the car I will tell you the trip details. What's up guys, it's 12:28 in the night and I have finally reached home. So total trip was about 1685 kilometers and the average is 17.1. That's great. And the average speed is 45. Yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Only this thing matters. And about the check light, I'll update you guys when I find it what it is. 1000 more kilometers and I have to service the car, but I think it's calling me a little quick because of the check engine light. Anyways, never forget to close your sunroof before you leave the car. Never ever forget to close your sunroof guys. Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye bye.